Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create this amazing effect called look boom. So if you want to create a cinematic movie where there's an explosion but somebody is saying hey look before the explosion, this is the best effect for you, and you can do it with Higgsfield AI. Now Higgsfield AI allows you to create tons of amazing video effects. I can go on and on. I mean, it's just crazy. So all you have to do is to sign in into higgsfield.ai, click on visual effects, scroll and choose the look boom section. So after you've chosen that, you will be brought to a page like this where you get to generate or click on any of the video samples that speaks to you or is very similar to what you have in mind. So once you're done choosing, you can always go back to click on create if none of them speaks to you or you want something else, you want to customize it to your own. So you can upload your image here, then click here to describe the prompt or what you want to your video to yield. So after that, you can change your model here, but if not, if you don't mind, like this model is best, you it's best you leave this particular model for this effect, because most effects come with their own default model. However, if you're low on credits, you see this one takes about 8, you can switch it to a different model. So after that, you can click on generate, and after a few minutes your video will be ready for download. Here you can always preview it before downloading to see how good your video effect is. So after that, click on download and you have your video downloaded to your device. Now let me ask if you understand, and if you do not, let me know in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to our channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you very much and do have a great day, guys.